Hello friends, welcome to .NET Programming Tutorial. In part 1 of .NET Programming Tutorial, we learn how to insert the record by using store procedure. So in this part, we will learn how to display the record in grid view by using store procedure. So let's start the tutorial. So here you can see that I have developed one bootstrap form. When we click on register, record get inserted into database table, and after insertion of record, it will redirect to the next page in which I have displayed the record in form of grid view. So let's start. Let's flip to SQL Server 2014 to see the store procedure. This is store procedure usp underscore get record. So in this store procedure, I have performed the join operation because in the grid view we want column like uh, student name, department name, gender, email and contact number. But here you can see that in student table we don't have department name. Instead of department name we have department id, and we have another table name as a department table in which we have department name. So this table have id as a primary key, and in student table we have department id as a foreign key. So we can perform join operation on this table to get department name here. So let's flip to Visual Studio and see the grid view. So this is a grid view which I have already added, uh, but in a grid view we want customized column name. To get customized column name, you can see here I have added template field and had set a header text, and whatever column name we want you can set in header text here. And we have to stop the auto generation column. So set auto generate column equal to false. So let go to cs file, and I have already added the code. So let's see one by what is the use of this line one by one. So yeah, this is command object in which we have passed the name of store procedure, and you can see this is the SQL data adapter. It is the bridge between data set and data source, and it is used to retrieve the record. But instead of data set I have used data table here. Data table is nothing but a table which contain data row and data columns here. And you can see that I have opened the connection here, and I have mentioned the command type as a store procedure because we are going to use a store procedure here. If we are going to use here raw SQL statement, so we have to mention the command type as a text here, and we have passed the command object to the SQL data adapter here. And to fill the record in a data table we have used fill method, uh, and after this operation is finished we have to close this connection, and we have to assign this data table object to the data source, and we have to bind the data table here. But when we inserted we have to register, we have to click on register button, so we have to redirect on next page, and on redirection of next page we have to display the record here. So I have make some changes here. I have used the session variable and message, and I have passed the some value here, string value here, success, and then I am redirecting to the next page, and this is the next page here. Here I am checking here if the message equal to success, then display the message in label record inserted successfully into the database table. And also I am changing here the label color here, and after this operation I am removing the session this session variable, because when I am redirect to the next page, and this message will be displayed. But when we press F5 key, we don't want this message here. So after displaying this message I am removing this session here. So let's build the solution first. So build successfully, and now start without debugging here. Now you can see we are redirect to the this form. So let's fill this form. Let's select department, mail, and his email ID. Now click on register button. Here you can see that the record is inserted successfully into database here. And now refresh this page. Let's see what happened. This message is automatically removed here because we are checking here. Uh, we are checking here if because we have removed this session after assigning this value to table. When we press on F5 key, so this it will again go to this condition and check whether the message having some value, but uh, we have removed this session, so it will not go to that condition and not assign any value to the label here. So that's why the label value is disappeared here. So thanks for watching my tutorial. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. In next part we will see how to edit this record and delete this record. uh, so thanks for watching my tutorial. Thank you.